Joyrider. Regain your mobility. It's lightweight and very compact. You can load one or even two into a small trunk. Adjustable anti-tip wheels protect you when going uphill and make storage easier. With the unique design, you just need to pull the cable and Joyrider will unfold within 2 seconds. Press the big start button. You are ready to go. The control panel is easy to understand. You can adjust the speed and check the battery level on the panel. Agile joystick controlling system makes riding, reversing, and turning so easy. Even when going uphill. The electromagnetic brake stops Joyrider instantly while you release the joystick, so it can guarantee you a safe ride even on the slopes. Using it in the elevator is not a problem. Pull on the ground with the rear wheels. Swing away footrest makes it easy to get in and out. When the battery is low, use the charging hole under the control panel to charge it. The lithium-ion battery pack is removable and can be replaced easily with a full one. Small turning radius makes use at home feasible. Joyrider. Regain your mobility.